Fellow farmers, this is Brian Cindy at Radiant Farm. We have been taking you through processes, how we do silage, and this is the real stage. Most of farmers have been asking me how you can harvest your maize, or at which stage your maize should be harvested. In case your target is silage, and this is a real stage. You have to harvest your maize. Most of us, we know that maize is supposed to be harvested on a milk stage, and this milk, as you know, it helps our crop, or it helps our silage to ferment very fast, due to the fact that it contains lactic acid that speeds up